Hey, what's going on YouTube? Acid Gamer here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Minecraft server. It's a bukkit server. Let's see what else. And it is port forwarded. So yeah, let's get started here. So you're gonna start off by typing bukkit, or have the link in the description. Oops, get bukkit. Alright, so I'll have this link in the description, and from here what you're gonna do is click on alternate versions. So under this, just click on beta build. I'm guessing, yeah, there we go. Just click right here, beta build, under recommended, because that's 1.5.2. We're doing 1.6.2. Alright, so just click, right click, make a new folder, call it wherever you want. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is go here to setting up a server. Go to the okay, so just go to the description, copy this code right here, and then drag this right there onto your folder. Okay, so yeah, so now what you're gonna do is right click, new, and you're gonna make a new text document, and then call this run. And then paste code here, and you're gonna do file, save as, run.bat, and make sure you save it as all files. So click save. Okay, once you're done, you can delete this and double click this, and if it says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, maybe try running it as an administrator. Okay, still. So then you know, I'll be right back with you once I find the problem for this. Alright, I'm back, and so let me see if it works. Oops, these here. So okay, so how to fix it if you get this error. Right click, go into your computer, go into your program files x86, click Java, go into your recent Java folder, the latest update, go to bin, and then just copy all of this here, and then what you're going to do is right click on your computer here, go to properties, and just scroll down and click advanced system settings, go into variables, variables, excuse me, click on new, and then you're gonna call it path, all caps, and then you're gonna call it, and then you're just gonna paste this here, and then you're gonna make another one and call this class path, and then just paste this class path, and yeah, but I already did that. So once you've done doing that, you're gonna rename craftbukkit to craftbukkit.jar, just like that. Put craftbukkit, I think, and run it, and our server now runs good. Okay. Okay, just let this load. Alright, now what you have to do to stop your server, type in stop. Okay, once that is done, you're gonna have to download Notepad++. Same thing as my Call of Duty how to make a death run server. Same thing. So okay. So once you've downloaded Notepad++, you're gonna come over here to server.properties, hit edit Notepad++, and yeah. So just edit this. You can call this whatever you want. This is gonna be my main Minecraft server. So I'm gonna call this acid server, just like that. Yeah, something like that, maybe, I don't know. So okay, view distance, you know, whatever you want, how far you could break blocks and stuff. Generator settings, just leave that regular. Allow nether if you want the nether world in your server, leave it at true. The world name, You should leave it at world. Enable query. I have no clue what this is, so you're gonna have to look it up. Allow flight. So if people have like zombie fly mod, they could fly, which I highly recommend you don't get it. Then leave that at false. But if you want people to fly on your server out of creative mode, put true. Server port 25565, leave that the same unless you know what you're doing, change it. Level type default, basically you want hard, normal, easy, but I recommend you leave it at default, but you can put whatever you want to your server. Enable Archon, I normally have it at false. Level seed, you can put any seed you want and then it will remake the world. And force game mode, you should have it at false, to be honest. So the server IP, what you're gonna do is, if you're on Windows 8, click the Windows button and then press R, and then you're gonna open your CMD and type in IP config, and then you're gonna port forward. So you're gonna copy your default gateway and your IPv4 address, and then go into your web browser, paste that in there. Oops. And click login. Yeah, just wait for it. Okay, I'm in. And what you're gonna do is click port forwarding / port triggering, or just port forwarding or virtual game servers. Just you have to look it up on your router. And then what you have to do is type in your service name. I'm just gonna say Minecraft server, and then the server port is 25565 if you didn't change that on your server.properties. And then here you're gonna put your IPv4 address, hit apply. There you go. Okay, so now that that is done, yeah. You're gonna put 192.168.1.3. Whoopsie, there we go. And the max building height, I like 300. Make super big sky bases. Spawn NPCs if you want NPCs. Yeah. Whitelist if you want people to join. But you have to add them to the whitelist, and I'll make a new folder here called whitelist. But I recommend you don't use whitelist, cause what's the point? But you can do whatever you want. Spawn animals, I normally have it at true. Super settings, true. Hardcore, I don't like hardcore. And if you want to put in a texture pack, I'll show you how to do that later on, maybe. I'm not too sure yet. I have PvP true, difficulty 1, game mode 0, max players. I'm gonna put 30 max players. Spawn monsters true, generate structures true, view distance 10. Okay, just file save. You can now close this, and what you're gonna do now is run your server. So let's go into our server folder and click run. And now let's open Minecraft. But I'm sorry if you don't see it for the first second. It is because it runs in full screen, and Camtasia Studio cannot run in full screen. Okay, there we go. So yeah, let's go into multiplayer and add server, and then just type in your server IP, which you have to go here and type in IP chicken. And here's your IP, so just copy this, close it, and paste, and put the 2 dots, 25565. Oops, make sure there's no space in between the IPs. But I'm gonna have my server IP different, so if you want to join. If nothing comes up, what you're gonna do, you can't join through there. What you have to do is type in your IP, your default gateway, or there we go. There we go. So here's my server, and yeah. So boom. So I don't have any plugins as of right now. Yeah, I'm sorry if it's a little bit laggy. It kind of looks weird. Um, so yeah, basically what you're gonna do now is go to your console and type in OP and then your Minecraft username, and it should say once you hit enter that you are now OP. But let me DOP myself. As you can see, I'm no longer OP. Okay, so if I try doing slash game mode 1, you see, but I don't have permission. But now if I do OP and I do game mode 1, there we go. Or sorry, I put 21. Game mode 1. There we go. Now I can do creative. You know, build myself a huge house, sky base. You know, I don't know. But yeah. So that's basically it on how to make the Minecraft server. Type in stop to save your world. If you just close it by clicking that, then it won't work. So yeah. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Rate, comment, subscribe maybe. I'll have more videos up on how to make Minecraft things, servers. Well, yeah. Maybe on even how to make a bukkit plugin, but I'm not too good at that yet, so probably not. And how to install plugins. It's honestly pretty easy. Plugin tutorials if you're gonna be joining my server. Maybe you're a moderator. It depends. But yeah. So thanks for watching, YouTube. Rate, comment, subscribe, and check out my channel if you really enjoyed this video.